Welcome to Math for Elementary School Teachers, Part 2, Math 212 at Blue Mountain Community College. I'm Gary Parker, your teacher this quarter. I'm going to show you a couple of things about the course here. So here I am on the course homepage for Math 212, a little welcome message at the top. There'll be recent announcements on the top of the course homepage, usually about one a week. Please check out the syllabus that talks about the course policies. It's similar but slightly different than last quarter. There is a resources page that has links to a bunch of the online math toys that we will use, YouTube video playlist, and the daily schedule. Daily schedule is important because some of the stuff we do is pretty complicated. You can't get it done in a day. So this shows what day you should start something. So for example, you should start section 4.1 on this Wednesday. And we're going to finish up section 4.1 on Monday. If you just look at the due dates in Canvas, all you see is, say, the deadline date. If you try to start and finish the homework on January 10th, you're unlikely to complete it successfully. And you're going to be perpetually behind in this class. Similarly, the activities, it says it's due on the 10th. You ought to start it before then. Otherwise, you will not get good work done in time. And I do hope you get good work done in a timely way. I have time set aside for this class every Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 4:30. Here's the link to the Zoom session if you want to join me. Otherwise, if you can't make that time, I have other times for math tutoring listed in the syllabus, and you can try to schedule something with me if those times don't work for you. Writing about math, you're going to do a lot of writing about math in this class, so here's just a little more about the kinds of things we're going to write about and what I expect from you. But basically, it's a 200 level math course about the kinds of math that you'll need to teach as a teacher, and you need to be good at explaining that. And big idea is just, write in complete sentences and try and get your full idea across. I don't have to look back at the question to figure out what the heck you're talking about. It's kind of the main idea about that writing. So please check that out. Otherwise, each section is set up the same way. There's going to be a reading assignment that's going to tell you to list the main topics for the section. It should be very well typed and well organized. And when you jump in to submit that, so it says start instead of submit now here, you'll get this word processor here where you can list those things. So for example, I might get started here with section 4.1, factors and multiples. And then I'm going to have whatever topic number 1 is and whatever topic number 2 is, and so on. And these topics need to be in a numbered list. So mine is hiding over here. And if I hit that arrow, it gives me the option of making a numbered list. And if I hit enter at the end of one line, it gives me a new line so I can add another topic. If I do a shift enter or shift return between, I have a blank line where I can now type some details in complete sentences. If I could spell today. And if you want more space, shift enter gives you a new line, whereas enter gives you a new number. And so I do expect you to be able to do some pretty word processing, and that is part of this assignment here, that you can organize your information well. Once you're done typing that up, submit it. I'll leave that for now. Then there's going to be a videos page after the reading. And the videos are me talking about the topics that you read about. And they range between like 2 minutes to a half an hour, depending on the video and if I was on a roll or not. And then following that is going to be a homework assignment. And that is interactive. And the homework assignments allow you to get multiple tries. And so until you get it right. So I get 3 tries to get this right. If I don't get it right on the 3rd try, it'll show me what the right answer is. So let's pick a different one. How about this one right here? Let's just go 2 times 3. And it's wrong. I can get a similar problem, or I can keep trying on this one until I get it right. Maybe it's 2 times 3 squared. You should actually do the work. And by the way, this is an online math class, but you got to write stuff down. So I expect for every problem you do, you have a notebook where you're writing. Homework 4.1, question 6, write the problem down, write your work down, and then come in here and type your answer. If you don't get it right after the 3rd try, then you will be shown the answer key and what the correct answer was supposed to be. And then you should try a similar problem. If you got help with a video, or you messaged me for help, or you used one of the other videos of the book, then you should definitely try it again with a similar problem to make sure you got the right idea. So you have a chance to get 100% on all of the homework. And then some sections have more than one homework assignment, depending on how complicated the section is. And then there's an activity. And an activity is where you're going to write this down neatly on paper and take a picture to submit, or you're going to type it up in a word processor and submit your say, your Google Doc for this. So here I have an app you can play with to work on this problem. So read the instructions, put this in your word processor, or write it neatly on paper. And then once you've answered all of the questions for the assignment, then you're going to submit it. So the start really should say submit. It used to say submit. They changed it recently. And that's where you get to either type up your work here. You could insert several photographs of your work here. You could put in a link to your Google Doc here also. The file upload, you're probably not going to need that. And you can connect to your Google Drive also, so that's an option too. But usually the text entry is the easiest way to go, because everything you want to do is available in this box here. And once you're done, submit it. And again, some of these activities are pretty complicated. You have to start it before the due date if you hope to get it done reasonably well on time. And again, each section is set up similarly. There's going to be the reading assignment, then the videos page, and then the homework, and then an activity. All right, that's it for now. Take care, do good math. I will see you in the near future. Have a great day.